Hi there, my name is Emmy and I'll be your guide for your first module of Day 3. I'll be talking to you about factorization and expansion. Please pause this presentation at any time when you need more time to think about something. Factorization is a process of writing an expression as a product of its factors. For example, to factorize expression 4x squared plus 8x, first, notice that 4x times x gives you 4x squared, and 4x times 2 gives you 8x. We say that the terms 4x squared and 8x are divisible by 4x, and we call 4x the common factor in both terms. Dividing the expression with 4x gives us the other factor, x plus 2. We multiply these two factors to obtain the expanded expression 4x times x plus 2. Let's consider another example, to factorize 4pq plus pq squared. We find that pq is a common factor of 4pq and pq squared. Taking this common factor out, we are left with 4 in the first term and q in the second term. That is, dividing the expression by pq gives us 4 plus q. So the factorized expression is pq times 4 plus q. Notice here that 4 plus q contains no other common factors, so we can do no further factorization. Try some of these questions to factorize a given expression. Press pause and then press play to continue. Here are the answers. Press pause to check your answers and then press play when you're ready to go on. Expansion is a reverse of factorization. That is, multiply the factors out to obtain an expression. For example, to expand the expression 5x times x minus 2, each terms inside the bracket are multiplied by what is outside the bracket. So we multiply 5x by x and 5x by minus 2. Simplifying this expansion gives us the expanded expression 5x squared minus 10x. Now consider expanding 2x minus 2 times x plus 4. For this expansion, consider multiplying the first factor by each term of the second factor. So multiply 2x minus 2 by x, and then 2x minus 2 by 4. Proceed the expansion like the previous example by multiplying the terms inside the bracket by what is outside the bracket. Take care when dealing with the minus signs. Collect the like terms and you get the expanded expression 2x squared plus 6x minus 8. Let's consider another example. Expand 4n plus 1 times 2n plus 2. We multiply the first factor, 4n plus 1, by each term of the second factor. So multiply 4n plus 1 by 2n, and then 4n plus 1 by 2. Proceed expansion in a similar fashion as before, and simplify like before to get 8n squared plus 10n plus 2. Try some of these questions. Expand the given expression. Press pause and then press play to go on. Here are the answers. Press pause to check your answers and then press play when you're ready to go on. You can check if your factorization is correct by expanding your answer. If you get the original expression, then you factorized it correctly. Your expansions can be checked similarly by factorizing the expanded expression. In other words, if you expand what you factorized, or vice versa, you should get the original expression. Here you can see that if you factorize x squared plus 2x, you get x times x plus 2. And expanding x times x plus 2 gives you x squared plus 2x. Whenever you have the time to do these simple checks, make sure you do them so that you can check your answers are correct.